Hey, what's up, the new day is a new video on our channel Tech Brothers. Today we are looking at the new smart video doorbell. It is called HeimVision HMB1. By the way, some days ago we have already posted video about another HeimVision device. It was smart alarm clock and wake up light. You can watch the video by the link in description. The new video smart doorbell has many features, such as built-in battery, Wi-Fi connection, Full HD video, day and night vision, two-way audio, motion detection, etc. The price of HeimVision HMB1 doorbell is about $80 on Amazon. I will leave the link in description under the video. As usual, let's start the review with unboxing. The smart video doorbell comes in this box. On the front we can see how the device looks like, company logo and model name. On the back there are QR codes to download the companion app on Android and iOS device. The main features are on the side faces. Inside the box I found an envelope with user manual and warning sticker. Then there is smart doorbell itself, chime, and different tools to install the doorbell, such as screws, screwdriver, etc. By the way, there are also 3 batteries inside the box. They intended for the chime. Video doorbell already has built-in batteries. Later I will show you them. Talking about design of HeimVision HMB1. As you can see, the case of a smart doorbell uses a combination of 2 colors, white and black. You know the device is quite heavy, about 280 grams. The dimensions are 140 by 55 by 30 mm. You should securely attach it to a wall or door. On the front there is camera lens, motion detection sensor, speaker and a bell button. The microphone is on the right side. Micro USB port is on the bottom. The frame is removable. You can use a screwdriver to open the back panel. There are 2 batteries inside. We will talk about their capacity and battery life a little later. I think you will be interested to know that video doorbell has IP65 waterproof. You can install it outside the door. The smart video doorbell comes with important accessory. This is indoor chime. When someone presses the bell button, this device makes a sound. By the way, this is a wireless chime. Just insert 3 batteries that come in the package inside the chime and you are ready to use it. But also there is micro USB port, so you can also use a USB power cable. On the front there are 2 LED lights and 3 buttons on the top. These buttons play different kinds of music. I think that's all about design. Now let's talk about features of the new smart video doorbell. On Amazon product page we can see the main features of HeimVision HMB1. The first feature is Full HD 1080p video resolution and 166 degrees viewing angle. Also the doorbell has a human detection and instant message alerts. By the way, the device uses AI humanoid recognition technology, so it only triggers when human detected, not a dog, cat or even vehicle. I promised to tell you about battery. So 2 built-in battery have a capacity of 9600 mAh. The manufacturer promises up to 6 months of battery life on a single charge. That's very long battery life. The video doorbell has day and night vision, and it automatically switches between them depending on light conditions. HeimVision HMB1 provides 2 storage options. You can use microSD memory card, so all the footage will be stored on your doorbell. Also, you can subscribe to a cloud service. Smart video doorbell has built-in microphone and speaker, so it supports 2-way communication. In addition, you can control the doorbell with smartphone. Let's connect the doorbell to mobile device and look at the app functions. If you want to use all the functions of smart video doorbell, not a simple bell, then you need to install companion app on smartphone. The app is called HeimVision. It is available on Android and iOS devices. Here is a quick tutorial how to connect smart doorbell to smartphone. First, you need to open the app and tap on plus in the center of the screen to add a new device. Choose the doorbell and follow the steps on the screen. In the app you can see the live image from camera. You can also take a screenshot, intercom, record a video and enable motion detection. In the settings there are basic functions such as night vision mode, speaker volume, owner leaves message, wireless chime and power management. There is also a motion detection menu. In this menu you can enable motion detection, choose intensity level and choose when alert will be triggered, day or night. When your visitor presses the bell button, you get notification on smartphone. Here you can enter the call, reject or play voice message. By the way, the video doorbell supports many voice messages.
Test number 1. Test number 2. Test number 3. Test number 2.
However, if there's no smartphone nearby, then the chime is ringing. It is quite loud, and you can even choose the music on device itself. There are 3 physical buttons for that. I recorded some videos in daytime and at night. You can watch them right now. You know, doorbells are not the rare devices now. Almost every second house has a smart video doorbell. They are quite affordable. For example, HeimVision HMB1 costs only $79. For this money you will get wireless smart doorbell with a long battery life, about 6 months, motion detection, night vision, two-way communication and Wi-Fi support. Using Wi-Fi you can connect the doorbell to a mobile device and receive notifications about visitors on your phone. If you are interested in HeimVision HMB1 smart video doorbell, I will leave the link in the description to buy it. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.